In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi is missing in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and leaving the like for more videos, and let's get into this tutorial. This can be a problem since you cannot connect to Wi-Fi because maybe your PC is not compatible with Wi-Fi, but we got some fixes that you can try. First, go to Advanced Network Settings. You should see the Wi-Fi. But if it's not showing or it's disabled, keep watching the video. Go to Wi-Fi and enable it. Once it's enabled, just go back and the problem should be fixed. But if this doesn't work for you, you can try the next step, where you can try to update your Wi-Fi drivers. Go to the search bar and then type Device Manager. Once you searched up, click on Device Manager. Now, go to Network Adapters. And now, all you need to do is find your Wi-Fi adapters, and once you find it, right-click on it. And then go and click Update Drivers. You can go ahead and click on Search automatically for drivers. For me, my driver is already up to date, but if there is an update, it will run through an update. And now the problem should be fixed. But if that still isn't fixed for you, your final step is to reset your network settings. So go to the Start menu and then go to Settings. In Settings, go to Network and Internet. Go and click Advanced Network Settings. Now all you need to do is to click on Network Reset. Now go and click Reset Now. Now all you need to do is to click on Yes, and your PC will reset all of the network adapters, and also it will restart your PC. And that is it, guys, for today's video. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like for more video, and thanks for watching.